In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll show you how to schedule posts on Instagram effortlessly. Unleash the power of scheduling tools and optimize your content planning, allowing you to reach your audience at the right time and maintain a consistent brand image. Let's start. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Click on this icon here. Let's create a post that we will schedule to be automatically published at the desired time. Choose Post. Select an image or video you want to post. Click on Next. Apply a filter if you want and edit the post in your own way. At the very bottom of the screen, you will find the Advanced Settings option. Click on it. At the top of the screen, we see the Schedule this post option. Keep in mind that by choosing this option, some features, like cross-posting to other accounts, are unavailable for scheduled content. Now click on the Toggle button. A pop-up menu will appear for setting the date and time. Today is Wednesday, July 19th. We can check the time in the upper right corner. The clock shows 5:16 p.m. I will set the picture to be published at 5:45 p.m. Click on the Done button. Now that we have chosen the date and time, let's go back one step. You will see that fewer other post settings are available. I will add a caption. Finally, click on the Share button. We receive a notification that the scheduled post has been successfully created. You can always check it by clicking on the 3 horizontal lines, then clicking on Scheduled Content. As you can see, the post is ready and will be published at the selected time. At the end of the video, I will show you if the post has been successfully created at that time. And now, take a moment and check out my channel. If you like the content of the channel, subscribe to it. Thank you. Here we are again after a short break. As you can see, when I open the post we created, a message appears stating that it was published using the Schedule Post option. Thank you for your attention, and see you soon with new tutorials.